get a drum roll, please? Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I apologize for the worst drum roll ever, but I have always been the biggest fan of learning how to play the drums, and I am so happy that I finally have this snare drum from Mendini by Cicilio in my own home so I can practice in private and no one has to listen to how bad I sound. So this is the steel snare drum, and this one I have has the chrome shell, but it comes with different color options if you or your child want something more fun and colorful. It comes with a double brace stand, and this stand is adjustable. So not only can you adjust the height of the drum, but you can also adjust these legs as well. These legs have rubber tips on the ends to not only protect your floors, but to help keep your drum stable and prevent it from moving while you're playing. It has a T-shaped key to tighten or loosen the lug screws to help tune the drum to your liking. And it's got the ribbons on each end to help you tighten those snare wires on the bottom and to make sure that they are flush with the drum head itself. And this is important because this is what gives you that nice, crisp, quality snare drum sound that you want. It also comes with a soft padded case that zips up. I really like that it's cushioned all the way around to really help protect your drum when you're traveling. Not only does it have a handle for you to carry it, it also has straps so you can wear it around your shoulders and keep your hands free for other things. Another thing that I really like about this is it's not too heavy. It only weighs about 14 pounds. So we've been taking it to our friend's house so other kids can play on it. We're constantly moving it from one place to the other, so I like that it's not a hassle to move. So go ahead, get this drum set for yourself or your kids and watch them have a blast. And that's my point of view.